everyone, I'm Damla Aktuman and welcome to my gorgeous crochet channel. In this video, you will be watching an AI narrated version of one of my crochet projects that I previously demonstrated on my channel. If you have any questions or get stuck at any point, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for your support and enjoy watching.
Our second motif is again crisp and perfect for spring. I wanted to share the motifs of this piece, one of my spring projects, with you first. For this, I again chose 4 season cotton yarns. I have Yarn Art Jeans, Alize Cotton Gold Tweed, and Kartopu Cotton Love Tweed in 2 colors ours. I'll give you their codes. Maybe you'd like to use the same colors. I'm using Yarn Art Jeans 05. And for this tweed, I'm crocheting the 15/6, 12th part of the snowball, the pink lava, with the K768 and K76 yarns using a 3mm crochet hook. You can adjust your hook size according to your hand and yarn. Now let me show you our motif. I'll be joining the motif, which I crocheted in 4 rows in the 5th row of the project. Let's start making it together by crocheting the center. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can support me for free by clicking the subscribe button below the video. Thank you so much for your interest. I'm grabbing my yarn right away. I'm starting to work on the center. We'll be working inside a magic ring. As I always say, if you've worked motifs before and are a little experienced in crochet, you can secure the yarn by wrapping it around once. Otherwise, wrapping around twice will be much safer. Those who can't use a magic ring can start working the motif inside the ring they create by chaining 5 or 6 stitches at these. I wrapped the yarn around my finger. I pulled out the loop. After locking it once, I rose and took it over my hook, turning it around. I inserted the hook again into the magic ring space and pulled out a loop. First, I went through the loop, then behind the loop I turned. Let's do it again like this. I missed it. Let me show you in more detail. Now you can also rise by chaining 3 stitches here. This is a false treble crochet. Let me explain that too. Look, I rose like this. I turned and took it over my hook. I inserted the hook into the space. I pulled out the loop. First I went through the loop, then behind the treble crochet I turned. And completed my first false treble crochet. There are 2 chains in between. I'm crocheting another double treble crochet into the same space. I will complete the number of these treble crochets to 8 with 2 chains in between. 2 chains in between, treble crochet. I'm crocheting my last double treble crochet. Look, after nicely tightening the loop in between. I'm counting 2, 4, 6, 8 stitches, so I'm 8. I'm pulling 2 chains and inserting the hook into the top of the first treble crochet I just made. While inserting, I'm also bringing the yarn from the back onto my hook and pulling it out from the back, locking it like this. And here, we're making a knot between these 2 yarns. Make it even stronger. Look, I haven't pulled this tightly enough. It's better to pull it tighter. It looks nicer that way because I like it better that way. Now I'm taking my next color. We'll start our second row with this color. In our second row, we'll crochet 4 sets of 2 double treble crochets into the spaces we created with these 2 chains. There will be 1 chain between each group. Now I'm starting to work into the spaces. I'm pulling my loop. Like this, look. I've laid this down too. I'm gonna crochet the top. I've come here. First I'm crocheting my first treble crochet. Let's bring this to the front. Next I take the yarn I'm gonna hide onto my hook and crochet 3 more double crochets next to my first double crochet. I've both hidden and secured the yarn nicely. This is my third and final group. I've completed the group with double crochets, a chain in between. Right here, I go to the side in, crochet 4 more double crochets into the space. I don't forget the chain in between. Let's fill all the spaces this way, in this row. After filling the last space, I make the double crochets, then a chain, and immediately slip it over. ويصير Here I cut the yarn, and we'll start with our new color in the next row. I wanted to show how I hid the yarn. Look, I took it to the back. I crocheted into the part of the V-shaped stitches, facing inwards. Now, after getting here, I take it between these stitches and pull it towards the back. In here, I crochet into the bases of the tight stitches and incorporate the yarn into the loop. Look like this. When I pull it, the back is perfectly clean. I always work the same way, so I've hidden it. Now, at this point, we'll pull corner our motif and prepare the next row. The next row is the familiar bagging stitch technique, but here we'll work the corner. For this, after removing the loop, I come to any chain space and first, then work the first 4 stitches of the corner. We'll work the other 4 stitches on the return. I've taken the yarn over the hook. I'm here. Now, unlike the ones below, I'm wrapping the yarn around the hook once and pulling through 3 times. Oh, how? Look now, 1, 2. Let's bring this yarn to the front. 3. I've taken the yarn over the hook. I'm also wrapping this yarn once to hide it. Now look again. 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm wrapping the yarn and hiding it. 1, 2, 3. And I've completed my first group by crocheting these. I only pull through 3 times at the corners. In the 3-stitch group in between, look, it's already a single stitch. There's no chain in between. I'm coming here. I'm crocheting my usual 4 double crochet stitches. I come back to this corner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. And finally, 1, 2, 3. To complete the first corner, I have 2 chains in between. I come back again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And finally, 1, 2, 3. Again, zigzag and crocheting the 4. I come here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Following this logic, I turn my motif into a square and move to the next row. I'm inside the corner space where I started. Let's crochet my 4 double crochet stitches, which I pulled through 3 times to complete this row. I pull 2 chains. I insert the hook into the top of the first double crochet stitch I crocheted. The yarn to cut. I will switch to my other color. Yarn art type 05. Look, we crocheted it like this. Now I'm only using double crochet stitches, but the number of double crochet stitches I'm crocheting in the spaces is 4. I should mention that too. Ubia. I'm hiding the loop by taking it to the back as I showed you before. Look, I've brought it to the front again. Then I took it to the back again. I'll immediately pass it through and incorporate it into these dense double crochet stitches again. That's it. With my new color, I'll take out the loop and crochet my first 4 double crochet stitches into any corner. Let's keep this in front. The last one again. There's no chain in between. If the motif doesn't look neat in the places where I say there's no chain, if it takes on a bowl-like appearance, you can correct it by crocheting a chain in between. Look at these spaces. Now I've come to the corner again. I'm crocheting my first 4 double crochet stitches. 2 chains in between. My next 4 double crochet stitches, and I'll continue with the same logic until I reach the starting point. I've come to the corner where I started. I'm crocheting my last 4 double crochet stitches and completing my motif. This is the top of the treble crochet stitch. I started with 2 chains. I'm sliding it out. I'm just placing the motif right in front of me. Look, working by changing the positions of the pink stitches will give this cardigan a perfect spring look. When my motif is finished, I'd say it's about 9.5, 10 centimeters. So with the joining steps, it will be almost 12 centimeters. I should mention that too. I hope you liked it. I loved it. I'm waiting for your motif suggestions in my Instagram message box. If you liked it, as always, I'd appreciate a heart emoji. Then thank you to everyone who watched this far. See you in the next videos. Goodbye, friends.